Hello everyone, we are presenting Nalanda High School. We are the students of grade 8. We are presenting project for science fair. We are designing solar PV system on rooftop of our school. The main goal of our project is to convert light energy into electrical energy to reduce monthly current bill charges. The use to use electric energy to light up our building.
We designed our project using Helio software. The software is web-based. We installed 26 solar panels on the terrace of our school. We are generating electricity of 6.24 kilowatts. We are saving 7,488 rupees per month in our school current bill. Now let's see calculation part.
To calculation part, for generating 1 kilowatt of electricity, we need 50,000 rupees. Our generation is 6.24 kilowatt. Ideally, we need 6.24 into 50,000 is equals to 3,12,000 rupees. But from government, we will get 30% of discount. 3,12,000 minus 93,600 is equals to 2,18,400 rupees after discount.
Normally 1 kilowatt generates 5 units per day. We can say 6.24 into 5 units equals to 31.2 per day. That means monthly 31.2 into 30, 936 units monthly. Average rate in India for current is 8 rupees. 936 into 8 equals to 7,488 monthly. That means yearly 7,488 into 12 equals to 89,856 yearly. You can save 89,856 rupees in bill country. We invested 2,18,400. We get in after 3 years we get 2,69,568 rupees. The difference is 51,168 profit.
This is the design of our project. We designed solar PV system on our rooftop. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Fia Tabassum.
My name is Nasma. Thank you for watching this video.